Hello and welcome to this video on sleep and dreams. In this video, we'll explore the science behind sleep and dreaming, and how understanding these processes can help us to unlock the secrets of our minds. A little on the science of sleep. Sleep is a natural biological process that is essential for our physical and mental health. During sleep, our bodies rest and repair, while our minds process the events of the day, and consolidate our memories. Sleep is divided into several stages, including deep sleep, REM sleep, and light sleep. What is the REM stage of sleep? The rapid eye movement, REM, stage of sleep is when most of our dreams occur. During this stage, our brains are highly active, and our muscles are temporarily paralyzed, allowing us to experience vivid and detailed dreams, without acting them out in our sleep. What are the lucid dreams? Lucid dreams are a type of dream in which the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming, and can even control their actions within the dream. This state of heightened awareness is what makes lucid dreaming so unique and powerful. What are the techniques for inducing lucid dreams? There are several techniques for inducing lucid dreams, including reality testing, dream journaling, and using sleep aids such as lucid dreaming supplements. One of the most effective techniques is called the wild method, or wake-initiated lucid dream, which involves staying awake for a period of time after falling asleep and then consciously entering the dream state. Let me briefly introduce to you the mild technique. Another popular technique is the mild method, or mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, which involves repeating a mantra, such as "I will remember to realize I'm dreaming," before falling asleep. This repetition helps to train the mind to become aware of the dream state. And, a little on the WBTB technique. The WBTB method, or wake back to bed technique, involves waking up during the night, staying awake for a period of time, and then returning to sleep. This technique has been shown to increase the likelihood of experiencing a lucid dream. I will give you as well some tips for successful lucid dreams. To increase your chances of experiencing a lucid dream, it's important to keep a dream journal, maintain a regular sleep schedule, and practice reality testing throughout the day. Additionally, engaging in creative activities, such as writing or drawing, can help to strengthen the connection between the conscious and unconscious mind. So where stands today the scientific research on sleep and dreams? There have been numerous studies on the subject of sleep and dreaming, and the results have been fascinating. For example, a study conducted by psychologist J. Allen Hobson in the 1970s, found that the brain generates dream images, randomly, based on the firing of neurons in the brain. Another study, conducted by psychologist Stephen LaBerge in the 1980s, found that lucid dreamers were able to perform specific tasks while dreaming, such as counting, that were not possible in ordinary dreams. In conclusion, sleep and dreaming are complex and fascinating processes that play a vital role in our physical and mental health. By understanding these processes, and by using techniques like lucid dreaming, we can unlock the secrets of our minds and experience things that are not possible in the waking world. If you're interested in learning more about sleep and dreaming, like and subscribe to upgrade your dream life to the next level.